Greetings, Chocoholics. Welcome back to Aroma Chocolates. I wanted to share with you a little bit of something that I've been working on, that I've been tasked with by my son, my oldest boy. He's getting married Friday, and I have been tasked with making close to 500 chocolates for his wedding reception. I'm making two different kinds of flavors here. I've got ice cream sandwich, which I'm calling it, and also I'm making a salted caramel. Now, these ice cream sandwich ones are personalized with their initials. I had a custom transfer made for these for them, and then these salted caramels are using some flake sea salt caramel. And I wanted to show you these, and I also wanted to do an on-camera taste test with you so that you can get an idea of what these are like and see what's inside and all that fun stuff. So let's start off with this ice cream sandwich. Now the inside, the filling of these is a vanilla cream ganache. It's just vanilla, it's just a vanilla ganache, and it's very deeply vanilla, so it tastes like vanilla ice cream. And normally I put it in dark chocolate like this, but they wanted it in milk chocolate. And it tastes just like an ice cream sandwich. It's so good. So let's dive into this one real quick. Oh, delicious. Look at that. Oh, wow. Ice cream sandwich. Tastes like I'm eating an ice cream sandwich. It's so good. If you look close, hopefully this camera will pick it up, you can see the little vanilla bean flakes in there. I'm using Papua New Guinea vanilla for this. Now, I will tell you that this filling, this batch, is a little on the runny side. I don't like my ganaches to be runny. It's a little too fluid. So I have to adjust it. So my future batches for their reception are gonna be spot on. Anyway, that is the ice cream sandwich one. Now let's try the salted caramel. I already know how good this is because I make salted caramel all the time, but I only put the salt on the one side, so just for design purposes and that, but I haven't used flake salt before. Flake salt's really kind of interesting look. And let's give these a taste. Oh yeah. Delicious. Yeah, I'm using my Papua New Guinea vanilla on these as well. That's my go-to for any caramel or even actually any chocolate, especially. It just has the best vanilla flavor, in my opinion, over Madagascar or anything else. Mexican vanilla is really good too. It's just more expensive than I want to be spending for vanilla. But I've found that Papua New Guinea vanilla, the planifolia variety, is the best one. It gives the best vanilla flavor on its own. The vanilla beans, which I have right here in their jar, they have the creamiest and best aroma and flavor for working with caramels and chocolate. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you what I've been making. We got this ice cream sandwich chocolate and these salted caramel chocolates that I'm making for my son's wedding reception. Now, if you would like to have recipes, this ice cream sandwich filling will be coming up sometime in my Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club. So if you want to get the recipe for that, sign up to the Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club so that you can get that recipe. These caramels, I'm going to have a different version of these chewy caramels coming up in my recipe club as well. They're going to be chocolate caramels. and they taste, if you've ever had a Reese's chocolate, from, you know, those Reese's, which is a chocolate caramel and a dipped in chocolate, it tastes like that, but even better. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. Hope you like that. And thanks a lot for tuning in. And I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, have a sweet day.